have this fear about blockchain. It has an image problem. I mean, some people say that's full of frauds and scammers and speculators, and they refer to it with the deep web and the dark web and the hacker community. So, I mean, do you really think that this image can be changed, or it's changing already?
It's changing already, frankly. It's still used for dark web. I think the best person, like people who, the biggest use case for blockchain is still dark web. It's illegal transaction. I don't see a very reason why you will not use blockchain. We accept payments on our website on cryptocurrency, and frankly, very few people pay on cryptocurrency. There are people who pay, and we prefer crypto, but we prefer an investment that we believe it will go up, so it's good for us. But from purely from from the accounting point of view, from the financial point, it's very, very difficult to take crypto payments. We don't have a recurring payment. So a lot of things have to evolve. You're asking about taboo problem. I've been facing this taboo. The taboo problem has been gone away. We used to ask question, how many illegal transactions go through the system every day? So basically it's a question that you cannot say yes, you cannot say no, right? It's the people still use your system for telecom or something. That's how things work out. So long story short is that it will have an image problem. But the thing is, it is getting beyond from is it a scam? Is it done? Rather than it's a volatile asset. It's a risky investment. So that's image but certainly a lot percentage of Bitcoin transactions are illegal. Well, I don't have a doubt that cryptocurrency will not go mainstream. It will go mainstream either one way or other way. It may be issued by Bank of America, it may be issued by US thing, but cryptocurrencies are the future, right? I think so. I'm very, very bullish on that. The only thing is who will be stakeholders. It will be decentralized or non-decentralized. It would certainly be think about it. Today, tell me anything that's more efficient than digital right now. Everything that's been digital is efficient, right? Imagine the world get destroyed somehow and you're starting a new country, and we have all those situations. So we will start everything digital, right? That's how things will work out. So things will be digital in the future. It's just that how, and people talk about blockchain, private blockchain, a reversible blockchain, and so these are features. If you take them out, blockchain is just a database. That's it. Blockchain is purely a database. If you take out those features, then blockchain doesn't. It's basically you say, okay, I have a F-16, but it cannot fire, and it cannot fire at the speed. And then basically after that, it just becomes a regular plane. If you can't fire a fighter, so anything that you basically take out, you take out the main characteristic that makes it unique, then it's nothing. So blockchain have an image issue, but image issue has been moving on from Silk Road. You don't hear about blockchain as Silk Road. You hear about blockchain as a speculative asset. So the image have changed. Certainly it has an image issue, but the things that blockchain was infamous for, that thing has been changing from one to another.